Hi guys, you should be in social studies, so this is what your page should look like right here. It is April 22nd, day 3 because it's Wednesday, and we're going to go over what we're going to learn today. So first you're going to read your I can statement. You're going to play some map games. And then you're going to follow along with this video as we go into some slides about where people live in Australia. And it's all about the coast today, the beaches. And then at the end, you're going to click quiz and you're going to answer a 1-question quiz. So our I can statement. I can describe how Australia's location and climate affects where people live. That means that if it's too hot somewhere, people aren't going to live there, right? If the temperature is just right, people want to live there. That's what it means, okay? So first, for your mini lesson, you should have played these 2 games. You simply click them, scroll down, and you'll be able to play a states and territories game and a physical features game. Play them as many times as you would like. For your work period, you guys should be watching this video, and let's get started. So we're going to be talking about the coasts. The coast means the beaches, okay? Australia's southeast and southwest coasts have a temperate climate, with summers that are not too hot and winters that are not too cold. This means that the temperatures are just right, okay? Most Australians prefer to live in these coastal regions due to the mild temperatures, abundant rainfall, and access to fresh water. So people want to live by the beach. They want to live by the coast, guys. The temperature's just right. Look how beautiful it is. These are some photographs that I have of Australia's coast. It's beautiful. The temperature is wonderful. This is where Australia's population is, okay? They don't want to live in the desert. They don't want to live in central Australia in the middle where it's hot there. No, they want to live right here. Right here, it's super, super hot. Okay, up here it's too humid, wet and muggy and hot. But right here, the temperature is cool, slightly warm, perfect temperature year round. Okay? It says people can make a home anywhere, but usually more people live in areas that get more rainfall and have a temperate climate. Therefore, most people in Australia live in the coastal areas. The highest population density is the southeastern states of New South Wales and Victoria. So let's look right here. The darker the color is in this map, the darker the color is, more people live there, okay? So look how light colored this is. No one lives over here. But look how dark this area is, right by the beaches. That's where everybody's hanging out and living. So for the quiz today, you guys are going to click activity, click quiz, and you're going to find April 22nd in your quizzes, and you guys are going to go take that quiz. So please get that done. Also, we have quizzes from yesterday and the day before. I'd like all of you guys to finish all of those quizzes. So thank you guys. Have a wonderful day.